Central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas.
Here we go.
Until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
An Amber Alert has been issued at the request of the Irving Police Department. Irving Police are looking for Serenity Berry, a 7-month-old black baby girl. Serenity was last seen wearing a white onesie when she was taken from the 2900 block of West Pioneer by who police say was her mother, Jocelyn Nicole Bridges, a 35-year-old woman. Jocelyn was last seen wearing a multicolored shirt with blue jean leggings. Jocelyn's hair color is black with brown highlights, and she is currently wearing it braided. Irving police say Bridges was driving a blue 2011 Ford Focus with Texas license plate MGP 8642.
Damn.
There you go.
This is not a test!
To issue an Amber Alert, stand by as we do that to our other stations in the area on WDAP.
This is like last thing you hear.
Oh my God!
What is that?
Agriculture missile launched from Palestine, expected to hit Zapata, Texas. We will all take shelter. Everybody must take shelter immediately. Avoid windows. Make sure you bring food, drinking water, and even your pets. This is not a drill.